So I'm a content creator and I exclusively have been using this DJI wireless mic kit for creating my content. So I saw this and I reached out to Movo to see if they could send this over, and they did. So I'm going to show you what's in here and kind of how to get this set up to use it. So it's pretty cool. They give you 3 of these windscreens. You get the black, the orange, and kind of like an aqua blue there. So that's really neat. You know, you could either just change out the colors or you've got some backups if you need. This is the mic handle right here. So this feels really good in the hand, feels very sturdy. It's a nice feel in the hand as well here. You can see on the one side, you've got these notches right here where your mic can go into those grooves. On the other side, this is like a kind of felt type of material. It feels nice and soft. So for my DJI mic, for example, this soft part is going to come in contact with the device there so it doesn't scratch it. So that's really nice. And then I can slide this down until that engages. For me, it's with those 2 extra little slots still available. That's where I'm fully engaged, and you can see what that ends up looking like. So it's pretty neat. That fits in here, you know, super secure, great fit for this. So if you're just doing this quickly, I mean, what you could do is just use the included kind of dead cat thing here. You know, I could always just do this and turn this on and go now. If you want to have more of a professional look, if you're going to be using this like on screen in a video or something, that's where you can just then cover this up. You put this over the top and you are good to go. So that's pretty neat. You can see you've got the Movo branding on both sides of it here, but now you've got a really professional looking interview microphone handle. Then this just pops off very easily as well. I actually reached out to Movo because I noticed on their listing, they said they now ship this with a smaller foam mic cover as well. So this is the smaller one. So I want to see how this fits too. Yeah, it's definitely a nice tighter fit. Get this on here. So it takes a little bit more coaxing to get that on. But you could see then that is kind of what this would look like. So if you have any smaller ones, this still might be a great option for that. I mean, even with this, you know, if you want something that's a little more discreet, this also, I noticed here, this does not have that Movo branding on it. But, you know, you could certainly use something like this as well, even with the DJI kit that I have. And the other neat thing is on the bottom of this, you have a 1/4-inch tripod thread. So you can screw this onto some other kind of mount or tripod, you know, whatever you want to do with this. So this is nice and sleek, and overall I'm very happy with it.